Hi, everybody. That's what I should say. And there's a lot more people over here because I was gonna do a nice video for you guys, but it's gonna go. I don't know. But it's just. I don't know. Let's do a video. And let's hope there's no other noises than the background noises like that. Like Dad, punching my brother's door or whatever he's doing every day. Thing. I forgot. I was gonna call it a microwave, but it's thing making noise. I can't believe it. And you see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen, and you know it. So yes, let's just start this video. So, I'm gonna guys show you what my dad and mom got me when they went yard sailing when I was at my cousin's house because I had a sleepover with her. Me and my cousin Chloe had a sleepover at my cousin's house Diamond. She got a new cat named Twilight because she named it Twilight because she named it after a Vampire Day movie. And yeah, she was really cute. Sorry. So yeah. And let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you that my parents got me for yard sailing when I was gone. Look it. It's a polar bear. Has big eyes. It's stained. It's really cute. So I'll need to wash this because I didn't get to yet. It's stained. So yeah. Next is this. Don't disturb. Don't disturb. My brother. It's my brother. He was disturbing. He got a butter knife to open his door. Because I know, but I didn't see. My dad went in his room and locked his door. So what he likes to do when his door is locked and he can't go in, he likes to get a butter knife and open the door. Weird. Not weird. So next I got this dog. It's a Watkins. Oh my gosh, stop waving your foot. And this little dog's adorable and I love it. And my parents got it for me. And then I got this one. It's a cute little dog. It's tan and brown. It's really cute. And I love this one. Okay, the best one I like out of all the yard sailing my parents got me is this tie toy. It's a dachshund. I named it Cookie Dough from the brown color. Or should put down in comments because these two don't have names. That one doesn't have a name, and I think I might need a better name for this one because I think Cookie Dough's not good enough. It's not as because Cookie Dough is more like tan than brown. So put down in a comment if you have a better name. So yeah, that's what my parents got for me yard sailing. During the trip, what I wanted to buy myself is, so on the way to the trip, we stopped at a gas station. My parents let me get this. My name's Tracy. I've left the tag because, seriously, because we're like dressing them up and it didn't look so good. Left the tag and the bracelet on at the same time. And so yeah, but I do remember her poem. It said, I am the smartest dog of all. I come over to you when you call my name. So yeah, and I forgot when her birthday is. Her name's Tracy. She's beautiful. Well, cute. And then I got Spencer when we were in New Hampshire. We went to another gas station. And I'm going to read his tag to you. It says, Spencer, people say my fur has spots, but I just call them special dots. My birthday is June 7th. I'm going to show you this if you couldn't hear me. Spencer, people say my fur has spots, but I just call them special dots. My birthday is June 7th. He's really cute, so that's why I chose him. He was like the best one in there, I thought. So yeah, I love him so much. So guys, I'm going to show you which ones, like if you're new to my channel or you never saw all my Beanie Boos, I am going to show you my Beanie Boos, and actually one different that is not a Beanie Boo that I had for a while. So yeah, first out you see me, my name is Quinn, and I'm going to read my poem to you. So my name is Quinn. My poem says, a cat's life is easy and simple. Each day we take lots of naps and then we just play. My birthday is September 12th, and I'm really adorable. So yeah. Next up is, actually put down, oh wait, maybe you can't put down in comment how to say it, because you just have to write down his name. So maybe you could just write something about him. So his name is Regal. My birthday says Regal. I don't know if I pronounced it right or wrong. And I'm gonna say his birthday is December 8th. And he's an adorable lion. I got him like at I think it was, I don't know. I forgot where it was, but we got cookie dough there. No, fried dough there. And we feeded him. Oh yes, it was a farm. It was a farm. Then we went into a gift shop. Me and my cousin got one of these teensies. They were $3. So my parents let us get one. And my brother didn't get anything in the store. So actually, he got $3, saving up for his allowance. So yeah. Next up is Firecracker. I ripped off his tag. I do not remember his poem or his birthday, but he's a really adorable firecracker. I would just say Firecracker, his name. He loves